In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a video using WordPress and the Elementor plugin. Whether you're adding engaging content to your blog or sharing a creative project on your website, knowing how to seamlessly embed videos can tremendously enhance the user experience. So, let's dive right into it and make your website shine with vibrant multimedia content. First things first, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center where everything related to your WordPress site resides. Once you're in, head over to the Pages section. This is located on the left-hand panel of your dashboard. When you select it, you'll see a list of all the pages that have been created on your site. Pick the page where you'd like to place your video. It could be your homepage, a blog post, or perhaps a new page entirely dedicated to showcasing your videos. Now that you've picked your page, look for the Edit with the Elementor button. Elementor is a powerful, intuitive page editor that lets you design your pages with ease. Clicking this button will take you directly to Elementor's editing interface, where you can start customizing the page. Once in the Elementor interface, direct your attention to the widget panel on the left side of the screen. This panel is where you'll find all sorts of useful components, tools, and widgets. Scroll down or use the search bar to locate the video widget. This widget is going to be your key tool for embedding video content. To insert the video, simply drag the video widget from the panel and drop it onto the desired area of your page. It's important to choose a spot that complements the flow of your page layout and enhances the overall user experience. With the video widget now on your page, it's time to set the video source. You have several options here, including YouTube, Vimeo, or even a self-hosted video if you have the file uploaded somewhere on your server. Choose the option that best suits your needs and conveniently host your video. After you've decided on the video source, go ahead and enter the video URL in the designated field. This is usually a simple copy and paste job from the hosting service where your video resides. Make sure the link is correct to avoid any playback issues later. Next, it's time to get creative and customize the video's appearance. Elementor provides several options for you to play around with, such as video size, overlays, or even styling effects. Tailor these settings to match your website's aesthetic and ensure the video is appropriately styled to engage and entice your audience. Finally, once you're satisfied with your video and its settings, it's time to publish your changes. Simply hit the publish button and voila, your video is now live on your site for visitors to enjoy. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully embedded a video using WordPress and Elementor, elevating the interactive quality of your website.